Hey everyone, I am DJ Vlogs and Games, and welcome back to another vlog. I actually have to get ready for school. I'll see you after school. So bye. I just got home, everybody, and now I'm gonna go get my friend Vidkid106 because he's gonna come with us to do something fun. You will see when we get there. So see you when Will's here. And he's here.
Hey guys, I'm Vidkid106 and I'm here at DJ K's house. We're going to Post Family Farms.
Yeah.
It's gonna be really fun. I really don't know much about what we're gonna do.
So it's gonna be really fun.
Kendall is nice enough to invite me, so yeah, it's gonna be really fun.
Yep. I will see you guys.
We'll see you in the car.
We're in the car.
And we are going to stop by McDonald's to get some food.
Yes.
We're actually here right now.
Yeah. So see you there.
We're at McDonald's. There they are going in
To the McDonald's place. You guys
So
see.
yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
Yep. What do they eat? I forgot to show you one more thing. There's a camera.
I wanna let's do an unboxing video.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, guys.
Oh my gosh. What would you do there? Alright guys, we're gonna eat now.
Totally real pictures.
But now we're gonna eat.
Time lapse.
Got done eating,
And we are headed
to
Post Family
Farms.
We're going to stop at like a playground or something, so we're gonna have full videos there.
Yep, it's at Post Family Farm.
Yeah.
So yeah,
More than just that though. We have like a ride, get donuts, apple cider probably. Yeah.
we are here.
At Post Family Farms. So yeah, we have like a little playground over
And
there.
there's a pumpkin tree.
There's a what is it? There's a pumpkin tree right there. So
And-
yeah, but first we have to
get
this
signed in.
insanely long line.
So yeah,
Get signed in, then we can continue. See ya.
there's a cat.
It's a barn cat.
They're so cute. I'm gonna go get some apple cider and donuts, and now we will. We're gonna go get some donuts and apple cider. It's gonna be yummy. And see ya. We'll see you later. And donuts, yummy, 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 yummy. Eating. We're gonna go to the playground. Yay! Getting all the way over to the playground. So yeah, still are walking.
Still, it's been like a second since we recorded last clip.
I'm walking to the playground.
We're gonna go down the slide first. We're gonna go down the slide first.
Race right
So
now.
first we have to wait for him to go down.
Yeah, so yeah.
Alright, we're going to start the race. Ready? Start.
Now, Mark, get set, go. Ah! I beat ya. One more time, and then we're gonna do something else in the playground. So yeah. I'm gonna go down the slide right now. See ya! I'm gonna go on it by myself on the slide. So yeah, let's see how I go. We just got done going to the playground, and now we're gonna head it to.
Tired. It's tiring.
What?
It's tiring.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go head to into this, and we're gonna have fun. So yeah, in this thing. Yeah. Hey, and we're gonna go ride. So see ya. Riding on the, which they go over on the track. Part of it. The part of it. I don't know. At the core maze, and now we have to try to figure out where we have to get out from the pumpkin patch. There's like 2 different ways. That way, or that way. Yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be a really good time. And by the way, we cannot pick up the corn because I think there was an animal that died here. I don't know. But that wasn't good. But yeah, let's get into it. Actually broke into 2 teams. We're gonna be with me and Vidkid106, which is him.
Me and the cameraman.
And against my mom and my dad.
So
yeah, we're gonna try to beat them. So yeah, that's it. Now we're back. We're still trying to find a way, and we're trying to beat them.
It says in 1915, barn was once home to 3,000 chickens. We've already been here. So
wait,
no, that's where we just went a circle. Let's go that way. Oh no, they're coming. Your parents are coming. Let's run. We gotta beat them. Okay. Have we seen this yet?
No.
Okay, let's keep going.
We're
just, if we see signs, if we see signs more than once,
we have to reverse the camera that way so they know what we're doing.
Yeah, so if we see signs more than once, we know we're going the wrong way. What sign is this? The
west of the post in that.
Okay, we're good. We haven't seen this sign yet. Let's go. Okay, we've seen this side. We haven't been there. You think we should go this way?
Yes.
Okay, there's a sign. Wait, there's a sign right over there. We should probably keep going.
Go that way. No.
Oh no, it's a dead end. Oops.
That way.
Let's go back. Okay, we're going this way now. Which way should we turn?
That.
Wait. We haven't been here yet. Wait, haven't we been here?
Nope.
Okay, let's go here. And there's another sign.
That one.
Okay, we haven't been here yet. Let's keep going. We came to a dead end.
Okay.
Looks like we missed a turn.
Probably.
Which way? Where should we turn now? That way.
That way.
We forgot to turn that way. The end!
We made it! Going over this. Oh, there's a lot of pumpkins as you see, you guys. Whoa! Wah wah wah! This mushy pumpkin. That's smushy. Trying to find a pumpkin that's not smushy. Oh my gosh! That's so smushy. Ugh. Why would I step on this mushy pumpkin? Did you just see that, guys? It's just don't want to pay that. Okay.
You found a good one, guys. Well, at least I found a good one.
Yeah, and I kind of found one at least.
So we're trying to break it apart from where it grew, so we can carry it. But yeah.
No. Sure. Take that one. So it's really good.
They're over there.
There's a lot. Let's go. Now I got the pumpkin. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna find some few more pumpkins, like 2 or 3 pumpkins. Not probably 2 more. After that, we are going back to that. So yeah. This pumpkin, I have the one in my hand, the warranty pumpkin, and we have the one Will found. So yeah. We found the trade-in! Woohoo! We found it! I'm gonna go find some white pumpkins because my mom always wants pumpkins that are white, right, Mama?
I like white ones and I like green ones. The Cinderella pumpkins.
Okay, so we're gonna do it. So yeah.
Guys, we are having so much fun tonight, but
unfortunately we can't find a white pumpkin.
we might have to go soon.
Yeah, but not yet. I don't think so.
That'd be funny if, like, yay, half the vlog's over.
Okay. You give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I hope you subscribed to Vidkid106. He has 102 subscribers. He needs way more subscribers. He's doing awesome. And I hope you see you in the next vlog. See ya! Bye! Bye, guys.